What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. Guys, you have to understand the FUD has been crazy the past couple of years for the SoFi stock, and we are getting extremely close to a breaking point on the SoFi stock, which is profitability. And the best part about this profitability is you have the management continuing to, vent to you that they are not going backwards. They are going only forward with continuous profitability, potentially forever, guys. And that's exactly what we want to see. SoFi blitz scaled the market when they went public for the past 3 years, trying to gain as much market share as possible, scaling, 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 scaling. And scaling does come, at a negative of losses. And, that eventually hurt the SoFi stock because the market wanted profitability at the time. And SoFi just couldn't make the exact turnaround at that very moment. They had to continue, gaining market share. And now that they have obtained that market share, they're going to start marketing more to their current customers, and their brand recognition has grown so fast to where they're starting to just gain more and more users every quarter with, near the same marketing span. Customer acquisition cost continues to drop, guys. So everything is aligning, for SoFi very well. I just want you guys to know that the management has made a shift. They are going to profitability, and this is the best time to go to profitability because we are potentially entering a lower interest rate environment. So when you have a company growing at 30% and maintaining profitability, guys, I mean, it's the best of both worlds, and we should be getting, massive institution inflows. We're looking for the two big whales to increase their position, guys. You already know who it is. The two companies that are trying to, buy up all the real estate in the world. That is BlackRock and Vanguard, guys. Those are the two companies we want, owning SoFi because, they have unlimited money, guys. So that's what we're looking for. And we're going to do an awesome comparison to Nubank in this video. A very similar company in a different market in Brazil, offers the same type of products, but it is a company that has scaled to profitability a couple of months faster than SoFi. But I think, we could potentially be seeing the same type of action in the stock price valuation as Nubank if we can get the profitability and maintain it. So be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,000 likes. Don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. And yes, guys, we will be covering the SoFi earnings, on the 29th. We will be going live. So be sure to subscribe and you will be getting all of that news, breaking moment exactly when it happens. Let's get into the video. And guys, you can just see I'm filming this video Sunday. We are literally less than 14 days away from the SoFi earnings, guys. It is coming very quick. Sure, there's going to be a little bit of FUD out there in the markets the next 2 weeks, but I'm telling you, we will have a small pump 1 or 2 days. The shorts will cover at the last second. You'll get some retail day traders heading into the stock, so we will get a small pump. Don't exactly know when that's going to happen. Hey, it might happen last second. Who knows? But I'm just saying, guys, we are getting very, very close, so don't try to time the market too well. More good news, guys. We can see inflation is trending down, and we are waiting for that potential March rate cut, which is sitting at near 75% right now. It actually increased from 64%. So you can see we've been trending down dramatically since the month of December. And that's the report we're going to be reporting next, which is January. And guys, this is what we're really going to be looking at in today's video, guys. You can see this is a post I did on Twitter. Once again, be sure to follow me on Twitter. You're going to be getting live updates on there as well. You can see this one got 19,000 views, a lot of engagement. And guys, this is basically Nubank net income. We will go into what Nubank is real quick, actually, before we look at this. So you can see Nubank was founded in 2013. It has a market cap of $43 billion. And Nubank offers a digital banking platform just like SoFi. The company offers a wide range of financial services, including digital banking, credit cards, loans, investments, and insurance products. Guys, very, very similar to SoFi, guys. It's just the thing about Nubank is it is in a market with way less competition, and they are just absorbing users, at an insane rate. I'm talking like 4 million users per quarter or something like that. So crazy, crazy growth. And it's just insane, the market share they've gained in Brazil and other markets as well. So they're growing a lot faster than SoFi, nearly like 100% quarters. I think SoFi will have better profit margins the next couple of years. But guys, this is a very similar company, and they have finally scaled to profitability. So we're going to be looking at their profits right now and see how long it could take for SoFi to get to those profits. So basically, guys, Nubank was just in the same situation as SoFi, a couple of years ago. 2021 and 2022, you can see they were posting losses right here, guys. This is net income loss, 34 million, 66 million, 45 million, 29 million. Very, very similar to SoFi, guys. And you can see this was their first profitable quarter of $7.8 million, Q3 2022, and then 58 million, 141 million, 224, and then 303 million. So I want you guys to see after these 2 quarters right here, you can see the company 2 quarters in a row blasted up net income by $80 million, 60 to 140, 140 to 220. So about $80 million jumps. Now, guys, I don't want you thinking SoFi is going to be making $80 million jumps once they turn a profitable quarter. I do not see that happening at all, guys. So I want you to understand that SoFi is a much smaller company, grows a lot slower, not as fast, but I think in the future we'll have better profit margins because it is 100% fully integrated, owns all of its technology, and you're really going to see the cost savings kick in. And I think, they can do more profits on less revenue. But guys, let's assume that SoFi pulls a profitable quarter in between Nubank's first 2 profitable quarters, which is 8 million and 58 million. Guys, I have no idea at all what type of profit SoFi is going to post. My guess, of course, you guys seen on my last couple of videos, for you guys that have been following me, I said about $30 million. But seeing how SoFi grows their EBITDA projections, especially with this next quarter coming up, Q4, I think we could potentially see profits grow in the 30 to $40 million range, which would potentially be, like half the speed. But, we will look exactly to see, how long it will take SoFi to hit this 300 million net income. And just look at a comparison. Just remember, guys, right now Nubank is a $44 billion company. And I also want you guys to see what happened in the stock as soon as they did turn that first profitable quarter. You guys, you're going to be absolutely blown away the price valuation that the market gave Nubank once they turn that profit. You're going to be blown away. It's exactly what SoFi is about to do in the next 2 weeks. They are on that new trajectory, that new course of profits, and I really think it's going to pay off in the stock price. So guys, take a look at these 2 charts. The blue one is Nubank, and the gold one is SoFi. And you could see this is the 1-year chart. Is that exactly 12 months from today, basically. And you can see the Nubank right around when they started turning a profit. Look, guys, the stock's up 152%, and SoFi, just having amazing growth. EBITDA growth, just no profits. It's up 39%, guys. So you could see the difference. Basically comparing the two, Nubank's up like 300% higher right now on just this chart alone. So I think we are going to be on a new path once we get that profitable quarter and continued guidance of profitability, guys. But you can exactly see the rewards you're getting as a fintech as soon as you turn that first profitable quarter. And guys, we've looked over these numbers before. It's basically just showing like revenue, net income, and EBITDA projections. Don't take any of these too serious, guys. These are like bull case scenarios. These are not, crazy accurate numbers because we don't even have a guidance for 2024. I'm just going off of what I seen for that Q4 guidance raise where SoFi's jumping up EBITDA of $50 million, guys. And if we get the same type of bottom line as the EBITDA, you're going to see all of that, money go to the bottom line. So these are the types of numbers, we could potentially be seeing. Of course, this is Q4 2023. And guys, I got, good growth, net income coming in at 35 million, just like I told you, and then a 6% margin. And as we saw with Nubank growing their net income about 80 million per quarter, quarter over quarter, I think we could potentially see 30 to 40 million quarter over quarter for SoFi. And that's exactly what I did, guys. So I just really want to look at net income, not really focus on EBITDA and revenue. So we got 40 million jump. We just want to see how long this is going to potentially take if they're dropping all that EBITDA to the bottom line, revenue to the bottom line, continuing that same type of growth, customer acquisition costs dropping down. We want to see how long it's going to take to get to that $300 million number that Nubank just hit in their most recent quarter. So we got a 40 million jump, 75 million. That's Q1. That's the quarter we're in right now, guys. 12% EBITDA margin, not bad at all. Q2, 115 million, 17% margin. Q3, 155 million net income, 22% margin. Q4, 195 million, 26% margin. And then we go into 2024, guys. Q1, 235 million, 30% margin. 275 million, 30% margin for Q2. And then Q3, 315 million, right over the 300 million mark, and then a 32% margin. So you guys can see that this is exactly about 7 quarters, okay? It's exactly what I told you in the beginning of the video. I don't see us growing as fast as Nubank, which is, 80 million net income jumps. I think we can do it in about half. So you're looking at about not 2 years exactly, because we're already in Q1 right now, a quarter, and it's not a full 8 quarters, so it's about 7 quarters. So about a year and 3/4 basically, we could potentially be getting to those types of profits. But just look at what we could potentially be doing, guys, for this year alone. I mean, I think by Q4 we could be pulling near 200 million profit at a 26% margin, guys. I mean, this is with Galileo landing some freaking whales, on the numbers. Every business profitable, stock-based compensation coming down, customer acquisition costs coming down. I think, that's a great way to price SoFi at, for the next 2-3 years, once they scale to profitability, is, a 30% net income margin company, just like the big banks. It's just you're going to see a lot of that cost savings going back to the customer instead of the form of dividends into like APY and stuff like that, bonuses. And basically, I think just SoFi will continue to scale at a great pace as well. 4 million potential users per quarter. So remember, guys, a Nubank is 44 billion market cap. I believe they deserve that market cap for sure, because of the continuous scale of profitability and growth at the exact same time. I mean, this is a massive company. And when you look at SoFi right now, we're at about 7.5 billion market cap. So guys, we have a long, long way to go to get to that valuation. But I'll show you guys, if we can hit those, types of profits in the next 2 years, what the stock price could potentially look like in about 7 quarters near the end of 2024. And you're looking at a potential $47 stock, guys. I mean, that will put us at the exact same valuation as Nubank, guys. So I think, yes, this is definitely possible in the next 2 years. And you guys already know, I put a price target on SoFi for 2023 near $25 to $30. So I think you're really going to see it happen. Once it happens, I mean, it could potentially happen out of nowhere. I mean, let's say we move up the stock to potentially, $12 to $15 after this quarter. And then, Q3, the stock just takes off 40% again after another profitable quarter. Another profitable quarter, Q2, it goes up a little bit and just maintains the price. That's how you get, that type of price action. So I think the stock could easily go from $25 to $45 in the next 2 years. So this is exactly what we would earn if we pull those types of profits and maintain that growth. This is accurate stuff, because the market is pricing Nubank, an extremely similar fintech, with rewards once you get that profitability. So guys, this is a 2-year price target that we're looking at right now. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you guys updated on all the breaking news, and we'll be going live for the SoFi earnings. So it's going to be a big day, and I really think SoFi is going to strive for success on that profitable quarter. We're going to see some big institutional investors hop in for the next couple of weeks. Once again, my name is Kyle. I hope you have a great day.